Hello and welcome to our presentation on the portable time machine and the ethics about it. So, scientists and historians need the power to travel back in time to rectify human error and prevent tragedies. There are many regrettable tragedies which have happened over the course of human history which could easily be prevented if we could only travel back in time. And we would need the ability to travel not only back in time within our own within the same location, but to different locations throughout the world. So if we could travel back in time, we'd be able to bring back so much knowledge that may have been lost due to various circumstances that have happened over history. So here's the diagram of our car. You can see all the basic components that we have stated out. So with this time machine, we could set the time to any date and go back in time. All you need to do is drive the car at 88 miles an hour, and instantly the car would travel back in through time. And the car uses a fusion-powered battery instead of plutonium to ensure that there will never be a situation in which you could be trapped in a certain time period. So some of the issues we considered were how by needing to drive at that certain speed to travel through time, what is in that exact location at a different time may not be the same, which can pose quite a problem if you travel back in time and there was trees in the way or something, which could cause the destruction of the car. So we decided it would be best if historical records were used to determine the landscapes present at different periods of time. Otherwise, that time period would not be safe to travel to, and we would not recommend that. And we think that we could use special runways to ensure that there would always be enough space for a car to travel at that speed. And as always with time travel, one of the important concerns is that any change you make to the past can have exponential effects on the future. So any machine operator would be required to have special training, and any change that we would want to make would have to be researched to ensure that any potential impacts that this we might have would only be positive. In our best calculations, of course, it would be impossible to accurately predict the future completely, but to a certain certainty, this would have to be accomplished.